In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Trello Workspace logo step by step. Customizing your Workspace logo is a simple but powerful way to make your Trello environment look more professional, reflect your brand, and make it easier for your team to recognize the right workspace at a glance. Whether you're managing client projects, internal workflows, or personal planning boards, updating your logo only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns or administers the workspace where you want to change the logo. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Boards page. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right if needed and selecting Boards, or by using the main navigation to access all your workspaces and boards. From the Boards view, locate the workspace where you want to update the logo. Click into that workspace so you're inside its main area. Now, look for the Settings option for your workspace. This is usually found in the Workspace sidebar. Click on Settings to open the Workspace configuration panel. Inside the Workspace settings, you'll see various options related to visibility, members, and general workspace details. At the top section, you'll notice the current workspace logo or icon. To change it, simply click directly on the existing logo. This will open the logo editing options. Once you click on the current logo, Trello will give you the option to upload a new logo. Go ahead and click on Upload a new logo. A file selection window will pop up on your screen. This allows you to browse through your local files on your computer. Now, navigate to the folder where your new logo image is saved. Select the image file you want to use. For best results, use a clear, square image with good resolution so it displays properly across Trello. After selecting the file, confirm your choice in the file browser window. Trello will automatically upload the image and apply it as your new workspace logo. Once the upload is complete, you should immediately see the updated logo displayed in your workspace settings. Take a moment to review it and make sure it looks the way you expect. If needed, you can repeat the process and upload a different image until you're satisfied with how it appears. After confirming the change, navigate back to your Workspace main page or Boards view to see the updated logo in context. You'll now notice that your new logo appears wherever the Workspace icon is shown, making it easier to visually distinguish it from other workspaces. And that's it. That's how you change your Trello Workspace logo quickly and easily. As you can see, the process is straightforward and only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in keeping your projects organized and professionally branded. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.